Making the actual star shape that would go on the chicken scratch is very simple. You'll just start in the corner of your square, pull the thread through, go down to the other corner, pull the thread through, making a diagonal line. Doesn't have to be perfect. Find your next corner, pull the thread through, your next diagonal corner, and when you do this, you will create an X. Next, find the center mark on the side, pull the thread through, go across your X, making another line, top, pull thread through, and bottom, pull thread through. And this creates the star pattern that is used in the chicken scratch.